We have people out here who have joined Anna Hazare in the fast. I have a gentleman out there who just told me that for the past 2 days he's been sitting on a fast. As a final word, I would like to bring in political commentator Professor Krishnanand. Sir, is it very ironical that at this juncture, especially when Tamil Nadu is going to poll, we have people pouring out here against corruption? The first family has been accused of mass corruption. What do you have to say for the allegations of cash for votes that we see every day?
I think Tamil Nadu today, I think it's phenomenal in terms of the quantum of corruption. And the people in the state have been getting sick of finding no option. And I think Anna Hazare's movement, and that's what I think, there was absolutely nothing in the air in the morning, but suddenly late in the evening, we find people from all walks of life. And I have been somebody who have been coming for all kinds of protests, but today I get to see a large number of people who I have not seen at all. So that I think shows the zero tolerance or the kind of intolerance that people have developed against corruption, and that this is today an indication of that.
Absolutely. So that is the wave that we are seeing here. Zero tolerance to corruption is the final word from Chennai. Back to you.
Let me also get in a quick word from Mausiki Acharya, who's been also reporting throughout the day in Ahmedabad. Mausiki, pessimists might say that, oh, what is a candlelight march? People just take a march every day now and then. This is not an ordinary candlelight march, because we are seeing testimonies, people who've been affected by corruption coming out for once and saying that we've had enough.
Absolutely. No one needed invitation here in Ahmedabad. We are at Town Hall. Around 15 to 20 people were present this morning. You can see how almost 100 people have come over here at Town Hall. They are carrying these candles here, and their only word is that corruption needs to be dealt with. It's either now or never. We all hope that Anna Hazare keeps on fighting for this bill, and everyone here is with Anna Hazare here. People have turned out in support. There is a small kid here. He's 11 years old. He is also fasting with Anna Hazare. His logic is he has an exam to appear in the morning, but he is saying that fighting for nation is more important than exam. Why are you supporting Anna?
I am supporting Anna because he is our new modern second Gandhiji. He is doing for our nation only. He is doing for our next generation.
Well, you see that it's not just the adults but also youngsters who have turned up. We have women here. No one was invited to this candle vigil. Everyone here in Ahmedabad felt the need, and therefore they have turned up here at Town Hall in Ahmedabad.
All right, Mausiki, many thanks for getting us that update. And as a matter of fact, I'd like to thank all our correspondents from the four corners of the nation. And we haven't been able to even pack in the kind of reactions that we are getting from the other parts of the nation. But we honestly promise you, we'll get you each and every reaction. We'll at least try to be a mirror to the society and tell you what's going on, because this kind of public outpouring is rare to see in India, people having it enough. Many thanks for joining us from all the corners of the nation. We'll keep